How should I start this video out?
What's up, no name bassin fans?
Alright, we just hit lake number 3 for the day. So far we haven't caught but one little fish. Old Nick over here caught that one. What we got? Okay. I haven't caught anything, so we just rolled up to Crosby Lake. Hopefully we can catch some fish out here. Let's see. God dog, Nick. Ha ha! That's what we're talking about.
That fish looks a little messed up there, sir.
Yeah, he's discombobulated. He just took a fireball to the face. Thanks for participating, fish. Dang, that's my bait up.
Look at it.
Okay.
It goes so far out there.
Okay. Okay, let me get where your feet is. You know what you do when they're biting something, right? Change it, put something completely different on. There we go. Dang it. I guess I'm gonna let you on to the secret. My favorite flipping bait now. Wow.
Oh God.
Yes, sir. Oh, dropped him in the boat. Yeah.
I got him.
Dropped him in the boat.
That's all that matters. I caught the fish.
That's right. Let's see what you got there, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I thought it was hung on a lily pad and I poured it out of his mouth. Come on, little baby. Come on, little baby. Man, ain't nothing like flipping a Cinco. Little fish. Thanks for playing, little guy. Way back there, yeah.
Yes, sir. I've seen it too.
That's a better fish. Ocho, oh no, buddy. Ocho, oh no.
I see.
There you go, buddy. Thanks for participating.
Bit of a splash in this one, but I'm going for it.
Yeah.
Oh, you stupid backlash.
You know there's some giants in there.
Alright, watch. There's a fish.
You know
There
there's
you
a giant in there. I just want one to nail it. One good nail. I don't care if I catch him or not. I don't care if I catch another fish after that. I just want one just to... Bam. Look at that. Warmouth. Warmouth on the Cinco. How about that? All right, guys. I guess we just about to wrap it up. It's probably about 12 o'clock. We've only been fishing here probably 2.5 hours. Caught a good bit of fish. It was a good time. Hopefully next time we can catch a big one. I think the biggest one we caught was probably 2.5, 3 pounds. Hopefully next time's better. Stay tuned for more.